Hey everyone, how's it going today? I hope you're feeling fantastic because I've got something really exciting for you. You've probably heard of the Mona Lisa, haven't you? That small painting that seems to be known by everyone on the planet. But here's the real question, why is it so popular? Why is everyone obsessed with it? And, by the way, do you know its value? Let me tell you, the Mona Lisa is absolutely invaluable. Yes, you heard that correctly, no amount of cash could ever purchase it. But why? What makes it so unique? That's what we're going to explore today. And pay attention, because this is great for practicing your English listening and speaking skills. So, let's improve your English while we unravel this enigma. Let's travel back 500 years to 1503. There was a man named Leonardo da Vinci, and wow, this guy wasn't just clever, he was a true mastermind. Seriously, the kind of genius you only find in history books. Leonardo wasn't only a painter, oh no. He was an engineer, scientist, architect, sculptor, and even a mapmaker, a cartographer. He studied the stars, the human body, plants, and even fossils. I mean, how could one person know so much? This man could do practically anything. Now, let's focus on the Mona Lisa, the artwork that made Leonardo da Vinci the most renowned artist in history. Did you know it took him 14 years to finish this painting? 14 years. Can you believe it? And here's something wild, he spent 12 years just perfecting her lips. Yes, you read that right, 12 entire years on her smile. Why so long? Well, the Mona Lisa has this enigmatic smile that's not simply happy or sad. Sometimes it seems like she's smiling gently, other times, it feels like she's keeping a secret. Her expression shifts depending on your mood or the angle you view her from. Isn't that incredible? Leonardo was determined to make her look flawless. He wanted her to seem lifelike, which is why he focused on every tiny detail, her eyes, hair, skin, and especially her lips. People say her smile is like magic because it's so mysterious. But wait, here's another puzzle, who is the Mona Lisa? Honestly, nobody knows for certain. Some think she was a real woman named Lisa Gerardini, married to a wealthy merchant. Others believe she was just a figment of Leonardo's imagination. And here's a crazy idea, some even suggest the Mona Lisa is actually Leonardo himself, painted as a woman. Wild, right? Let me share some fascinating details about the painting. First, her eyes, they seem to follow you wherever you move. It's like she's watching you, no matter where you are. Spooky? Perhaps. Awesome? Absolutely. Second, the background, if you look closely, the background is just as mysterious. It's not a real location but feels like a dreamy, magical place. Third, the smile, her smile is the biggest enigma. Is she joyful, sad, or hiding something? That's why it's called the most mysterious smile in the world. Now, let's dive into one of the most thrilling moments in the Mona Lisa's history, the time it was stolen. Yes, you heard correctly, the Mona Lisa was once taken from its home, and believe it or not, this theft is what skyrocketed its fame. Crazy, isn't it? Let's jump into the story and uncover all the drama. First, let's address a key question, why is the Mona Lisa in France, not Italy? Leonardo da Vinci was Italian, so why didn't he keep his masterpiece in Italy? Here's the deal. In his final years, Leonardo moved to France. He was invited by King Francis I, who admired his talent and wanted him in the royal court. Francis I provided Leonardo with a stunning home near the Loire Valley, where he spent his last days. When Leonardo passed away in 1519, the Mona Lisa remained in France. The French royal family kept it, and eventually, it became part of the Louvre Museum in Paris, where it resides today. Now, let's get to the exciting part, the theft. This happened in 1911, over a century ago. Back then, the Mona Lisa was just one of many artworks in the Louvre. It was appreciated, but not as iconic as it is now. So, why was it stolen? The thief was Vincenzo Peruggia, an Italian handyman who worked at the Louvre. He believed the Mona Lisa belonged to Italy, not France. Peruggia thought the French had taken it and wanted to return it to his homeland. One morning, when the Louvre was closed, Peruggia hid inside the museum. He sneaked into the room where the Mona Lisa was hung, took it off the wall, tucked it under his coat, and walked out. That's it. No alarms, no guards chasing him, nothing. When the news spread that the Mona Lisa was gone, the world went wild. The theft was headline news globally. Even though the painting wasn't hugely famous before, the mystery of its disappearance sparked curiosity. What's even stranger is that after it was stolen, people flocked to the Louvre just to see the empty spot where it had been. Imagine that, a blank wall drawing crowds. For 2 years, the Mona Lisa was missing. No one knew where it was or who had it. During this time, even famous figures like the artist Pablo Picasso were suspected of the theft. Yes, really. But in 1913, Peruggia was caught trying to sell the Mona Lisa to an art dealer in Italy. The dealer quickly realized it was the real Mona Lisa and alerted the authorities. Peruggia was arrested, and the painting was safely returned to the Louvre. Here's the truth, before the theft, the Mona Lisa wasn't the most famous painting in the world. Art enthusiasts admired it, but it wasn't a global sensation. However, the theft turned it into a superstar. The dramatic story of the stolen artwork captivated newspapers worldwide for months. People became obsessed with the Mona Lisa, her mysterious smile, her history, and her incredible worth. When it was returned to the Louvre, millions came to see it, and it has remained the most visited painting ever since. Now, let's talk about its value. How much is the Mona Lisa worth? In 1962, it was insured for $100 million, which, adjusted for inflation, would be over $900 million today. But in reality, the Mona Lisa is priceless. No one could buy it, no matter how rich they are. After the theft, the Louvre decided to protect the painting like never before. Today, the Mona Lisa is kept in a special bulletproof glass case. This case controls temperature and humidity to preserve the artwork. The Mona Lisa isn't just famous for its mysterious smile or perfect details. It's also famous because of the stories behind it, the brilliance of Leonardo da Vinci, the mystery of the woman's identity, and the dramatic theft that made it a global icon. Now that we've explored Leonardo's genius and the thrilling theft of the Mona Lisa, let's dive even deeper. There's so much more to this painting than just a mysterious smile or a theft story. Let me take you on a journey into the secrets, surprises, and lesser-known facts hidden within the Mona Lisa. Prepare to be amazed, because this will blow your mind. Have you ever looked at a painting and felt like its eyes were following you? That's exactly what the Mona Lisa does. No matter where you stand, her gaze seems to track you. How is that possible? Leonardo da Vinci used a technique called sfumato, meaning soft in Italian. He blended colors so seamlessly that there are no harsh lines. This makes her eyes look incredibly lifelike, almost as if she's alive. Some even say the Mona Lisa knows your secrets because of how she gazes at you. Spooky, right? Now, let's talk about her. One fascinating detail is that the two sides of the background don't align. The left side is lower than the right, creating an illusion that adds to the painting's enigma. Some believe the background symbolizes the duality of life, happiness and sadness, reality and dreams. Here's where it gets really exciting. Over the years, experts have studied the Mona Lisa using advanced technology like X-rays and infrared cameras, and guess what? They found some hidden details. 1. Changes in the painting. Leonardo made many changes to the Mona Lisa as he worked on it. For example, there's a hidden layer under her current smile that looks slightly different. 2. Letters in her eyes. Some researchers believe they found tiny letters and numbers hidden in her eyes. These might be Leonardo's initials or secret codes. 3. No eyebrows or eyelashes. Have you noticed that the Mona Lisa has no eyebrows or eyelashes? Some people think Leonardo left them out on purpose to make her face look more timeless. The Mona Lisa has had a rough life. Besides being stolen, it's been through wars, revolutions, and even an attack. Here are some jaw-dropping moments from her history. During the French Revolution, the Mona Lisa was moved to a storage room to keep it safe from looters. In World War II, it was hidden in a secret location to protect it from the Nazis. In 1956, someone threw a rock at the painting, chipping a small part of it. Another person tried to spray paint it but was stopped just in time. Thankfully, the Louvre now protects the Mona Lisa with bulletproof glass. Did you know the Mona Lisa has inspired music, movies, and even memes? Here are some fun examples. She's been featured in songs by famous musicians like Nat King Cole and Beyoncé. She's appeared in movies, TV shows, and even cartoons. Her image has been recreated in countless ways, from Lego art to coffee foam designs. This shows how much the Mona Lisa has become a part of our global culture. Now, here's the big question: why can't people stop talking about the Mona Lisa? It's not just about her beauty or her mysterious smile. It's about the stories, the history, and the emotions tied to her. The Mona Lisa is more than a painting. She's a symbol of art, mystery, and human creativity. Leonardo da Vinci poured his heart and soul into this masterpiece, and it shows. Even after 500 years, she still feels alive. That's why millions of people travel to Paris every year just to see her, even if it's only for a few seconds. The Mona Lisa is surrounded by mysteries, and over the years, people have come up with some crazy theories. Let's take a look at a few. 1. Is the Mona Lisa a self-portrait of Leonardo? Some experts believe that the Mona Lisa might actually be Leonardo da Vinci in disguise. When you compare his face to the Mona Lisa's, there are some similarities. Could it be that he painted himself as a woman to express both his masculine and feminine sides? 2. Who is she really? While most agree that the Mona Lisa is Lisa Gherardini, some say she could be someone else entirely, a noblewoman, a goddess, or even an imaginary person Leonardo created. Some theories suggest she represents the idea of eternal beauty rather than any one individual. 3. Hidden codes in the painting. Some people think Leonardo left secret messages in the Mona Lisa for future generations. Symbols in her eyes, the background, and even her clothing have been analyzed for hidden meanings. Could he have left clues about his inventions, discoveries, or personal beliefs? Think about this: the Mona Lisa is over 500 years old, but she still feels modern and relevant. Why is that? 1. Her universal appeal. The Mona Lisa's expression captures something we all experience, emotions that are hard to explain. Whether you see happiness, sadness, or mystery in her face, you feel connected to her. She speaks to everyone, no matter where you're from or what language you speak. 2. Leonardo's genius techniques. Leonardo da Vinci was ahead of his time. He used science, math, and art together to create something no one had ever seen before. The Mona Lisa isn't just a painting, it's a masterpiece of human achievement. 3. Her global fame. The Mona Lisa has survived wars, thefts, and attacks, yet she remains one of the most recognized and celebrated pieces of art in the world. Her fame is a testament to the power of art to bring people together. The story of human creativity and perseverance, the connection she creates between people around the world. Owning the Mona Lisa would be like owning a piece of human history itself. What makes the Mona Lisa so special is how she inspires millions of people every year. She's not just a painting hanging in a museum, she's a reminder of what humans can achieve when they dream big. Leonardo da Vinci didn't paint the Mona Lisa for fame or fortune. He painted her because he loved his craft and wanted to create something meaningful. It took him 14 years to perfect this painting, with 12 years spent on her lips alone. His dedication shows us the value of patience and hard work. Even though he never got to see how famous his painting would become, his work changed the world forever. The Mona Lisa teaches us something powerful: dream big and never stop learning. Leonardo was not just a painter, he was a scientist, an inventor, and a thinker. He showed us that curiosity and creativity have no limits. Be patient and stay dedicated. The Mona Lisa wasn't created overnight, it took years of hard work and attention to detail. Great things take time, and that's okay. Leave your mark on the world. Like Leonardo, we all have something unique to offer, whether it's art, music, teaching, or any other passion. Our work can inspire others for generations. The Mona Lisa isn't just a painting, she's a story, a symbol, and a masterpiece that connects us all. Every time you look at her, you're reminded of the genius of Leonardo da Vinci and the power of art to change the world. As you walk away from this story, ask yourself, what's my version of the Mona Lisa? What can I create that will inspire others? How can I leave my mark on the world? And that's the grand finale of the Mona Lisa mystery. I hope you loved every second of this journey and learned something new. Remember, the Mona Lisa is more than just a painting. She's a reminder of what we can achieve when we dream, work hard, and never give up. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Now, go out there and create your own masterpiece.